the craving of hot, creamy coffee with Europa Cappuccino Coffee Maker from Morphy. A stylish and compact machine with lip-smacking qualities, Europa Cappuccino Coffee Maker will serve hot, creamy espressos and cappuccinos at every occasion. Now, let's go through the demo of this amazing coffee maker. Open the water tank, fill water with carafe. Now, close the tank cover and turn the steam knob tightly. Place the permanent filter into the filter holder and add grounded coffee powder in the filter. Tap the powder and lock the coffee filter firmly into the coffee maker. Now, move the strength controller to either strong or light position according to your taste. Place the carafe on the drip tray and turn on the machine. Rich espresso is now ready to dazzle your taste buds. With Europa Cappuccino Coffee Maker, you can also froth milk and make creamy cappuccinos. To froth the beverage, fill water into the tank and move the strength controller to steam position. Wait for some time until the water is heated. Meanwhile, pour milk into the carafe. Now, turn the steam pipe and lift the carafe. Submerge the steam nozzle entirely into the milk. When the desired froth is obtained, you can serve hot, creamy cappuccino. Bring home the Europa Cappuccino Coffee Maker from Morphy and indulge in a gourmet-like coffee experience.